What's going on, guys? What I've got here is a smoker tube. Actually, two smoker tubes from Lovefish. Gotta love those Chinese names. Lovefish. Isn't that just creative? Lovefish. So let's open this up and let's do an unboxing little video here. So what this is used for is if you've got a pellet grill, like a Traeger. So like you've got a Traeger pellet grill and you're not getting quite enough smoke. You can buy these smoker tubes and you can put some pellets in it, and then you light the pellets inside the smoker tube, and then the pellets, supposedly, I haven't done this yet, the pellets inside the smoker tube will smoke for 5 hours. That's what it says, 5 hours. It'll smoke for 5 hours. Don't you love these videos where a guy's doing this? He's unboxing this with one hand. So here's what the smoke tube looks like. Wow, I'm actually kind of impressed. Much better looking than I thought it was going to be. So this is supposedly stainless steel. I paid very little for the two of these. I got them on Amazon. These two smoker tubes were less than 20 bucks. Less than 20 bucks for the two of them, and they actually come with a couple free things inside of here. So this one comes with a hook, so you can hang your smoker tube. And then it also comes with a brush. So one of those silicone brushes. You hope it's silicone. Don't know if it's high temperature silicone. I wouldn't test it. Not even sure I would use it. But anyway, back to the smoke tube. So the smoke tube is supposed to be stainless steel. It does kind of look like stainless steel. I wish I had a magnet. I'd test it out for you. But it's a decent size. So it's 12 inches long. To me, it looks like it's a little bit longer than 12 inches. And you put all your pellets in here, and then you light the pellets. So when you light the pellets, you're actually supposed to fill the whole tube. So you fill it down to the bottom. One side is enclosed. You fill it down to the bottom, and then here at the top, you take a butane torch or a propane torch. You have to use a torch to light pellets. You know how hard it is to light pellets with just a lighter. It's like impossible. So you got to use a butane torch or a propane torch. Light the pellets here at the top. So you light the pellets in here. You get a flame going on the pellets. And I haven't done this yet. I'm just going off of what the instructions say. You get a flame going here on the pellets across the top. You let that flame go for a little bit, and then you blow the flame out, and then you put this down on the side inside your Traeger grill or whatever pellet grill you're using, and you're good to go. I'm going to do something kind of crazy. I'm going to use this in just a regular propane barbecue grill. I'm going to just use it in there and see if I can turn my propane barbecue grill into a smoker just by having these smoke tubes. All right, guys, well, I'll put a link down below to where I got this and which one I got. And it came with two. Well, we can unbox this one real quick to see. Oh, it looks like I got some other free stuff. What'd they give us in here? So another hook. And then this is cool. It's like it's a little nylon brush. A little nylon brush to be able to clean these guys. That's cool. Interesting that they put this in a bigger plastic bag. Wonder why they did that. Anyway, there you go. This is, no pun intended, but a smoking deal to be able to get two of these for how cheap I got. And they're really nice quality. I'm really surprised. Like super nice quality. Like really thick. Kind of really heavy duty. Yes, I'll put a link down below so you can get these yourself. Nice stuff. Alright guys, thanks for looking. Enjoy grilling that meat. Make sure you know when you get your meat, you gotta smack it a couple times there before you put it on the grill. Alright guys, later.